Good evening, all. Muskan, Sindhuja, Ritisha. Good evening to all. And today again we are discussing about natural resources. Same chapter which we discussed yesterday. Hope yesterday part has been clear to everyone. Shall we continue the session? Or anything should be repeated? Okay, no reply from your side. Okay, Muskan, if it is cleared yesterday, we'll continue. Just glance up. Okay, I'll just glance up yesterday part and we'll proceed for the next concepts. I'll share the screen. Yesterday we come to know what are the different sources that we come across on the earth, and these are the different kinds of sources, and these are natural resources available on the earth, and only earth has got biosphere where the life can be seen on the earth, hence it is called green planet. And the biosphere is the continuous interaction between atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. And how the winds are created? Winds are created mainly by the solar energy. This is how the sea breeze is created. When the solar energy reaches the land and ocean, the land will get warmer soon compared to the water. Hence, the air becomes lighter, moves up, and it creates low pressure at the bottom. As a result, the air moves from ocean towards the land. Hence, it is called sea breeze. In the same way, during daytime, we can see the sea breeze, but in the night we can come across land breeze. How the land breeze is created? During night, the land releases the heat faster than the water. Water has the air which is warmer and moves up on the ocean. As a result, low pressure is created at above level of the sea. And hence the air moves from land to the water. Hence it is called land breeze. And we also come to know the importance of water and how the water is being recycled, cycled by evaporation, condensation, and again precipitation brings back to the land and collected in the water bodies. This is the another image where the water cycle is completely shown. And And this month we are going to celebrate Earth Day, and as a result of Earth Day, so plant one plant, at least one plant. You can grow more plants, at least one plant, so that we can lead a life very green. Plant a tree, save the earth. And next is, we are going to know information more about pollution. What is pollution? Okay, come on. What is pollution? Any idea on the pollution? Okay, Supriya, welcome. Manasa, Supriya, Sindhuja, Muskan, Ritisha. Only 5 members were entered for the session, and don't know what about rest of the participants. Okay, any idea on the pollution? Okay, pollution means it is undesirable change in the properties of water, air and the soil. Completely pollution of air. Okay, what is pollution of air? The pollution of air is undesirable change. Okay, Vinita also entered. Okay, Vinita. Okay, undesirable change in air is known as air pollution, and water pollution is undesirable change in water. And who is responsible for this pollution? The chemicals. The chemicals which are very harmful, and they result in pollution. They result in pollution. Okay, we'll continue. The air pollution, just now I told, undesirable change in in air, undesirable change in air by the chemicals, undesirable chemicals responsible for the air pollution. Now, the image clearly shows what are the major sources of air pollution. The factories, which releases a large amount of toxic gases to the environment. Agriculture, where we use pesticides, aerosols, responsible for pollution. At stationery, the household things will also releases toxic gases. Trucks, cars, buses, motorcycles, aeroplanes, even they are also a part which releases toxic chemicals to the environment, leading to the air pollution. And cities, towns, villages, every causing air pollution by the burning of fossil fuels will act as the particles which enter into the environment. They results in the formation of smog, and the smog results in a very dim visuality. It makes the view very blur. It doesn't makes the view very clear. The vision becomes blur because of hydrocarbons which converted into smog. Not only smog affecting the visual, the hydrocarbons also brings the health hazards, breathing problem, bronchial problem, and they started accumulating in the lungs and brings lung diseases. And this is how the air pollution by the automobiles industries, which releases hydrocarbons. In the same way, the fossil fuels burning, the combustion of fossil fuels releases of forms sulfuric acid and nitric acid, and this reaches the soil, reaches the water bodies, changes the physiology of aquatic organisms and also plants. Not only aquatic organisms and the plants, even it affects on the monuments, which results in losing of luster. The marble started degrading because of acid rain, and this acid rain is due to air pollution. So this is how the air pollution has effect on environment. Okay, all of you clear? Pollution affects, if any, students. Okay, need not to worry, I'll do it once again. Sindhu also entered. Okay, all of you cleared with the concepts air pollution? All of you cleared with air pollution? If any doubt, you should clarify now only, because I'll finish natural resource, and by the next week I'll complete the 9th portion and we'll jump on. Proceed. Okay, if it is clear, I'll proceed. That industries directly into the oceans, rivers and the water bodies, and directly harming the water, which results in water pollution. Not only the industries, the household waste water, office waste water, sewage water, everything it is dumped into the water bodies, resulting water pollution. And the major source of water pollution right now is use and throw plastic. Use and throw plastic, it never undergo degradation, it will retain in the environment for longer time, and that enters into the water bodies, and directly it reduces the amount of dissolved oxygen content in the water, harms the aquatic life. This is how the marine organisms are under danger because of water pollution. You can see, and bringing the death of the organisms. And this is because, and not only the plastic or the industries, even agriculture practices And now only with the sewage units. Sewage units can easily recycle. It can convert it into less toxic water, and then it can be released to the water bodies. So filter units is very, very essential. Sewage water and then allow it to the water body. Then obviously water pollution will be reduced. Water is very important to all kind of organisms. Without water, no organism can survive. Plants, animals, or small creatures, all they require water. 75% is covered with water. The earth is covered with water by 75%, but still we find the scarcity of water for human consumption, because only 2.5% is fresh water, and among 2.5 human consumption. So it's very essential to human consumption. Okay, one more for the plants, for the development. The sun. The sun, when it heats up the rock, it undergo cracking. When it allows for sudden cooling, again cracks takes place on the rocks. As a result, a small particles will be released. When the water enters in between the cracks of the rock, when it freezes, it expands. As a result, the cracks expand and small particles of soil will be formed. When heats up, when cools down, the water also plays a major role in bringing up cracks on the rocks and the formation of the soil. Winds. The high winds also responsible for formation of the soil. The winds makes the rocks to rub each other. As a result, the soil will be formed. In this way, the soil will be formed, and the soil is rich with the minerals, and that is very essential for the plants for its growth. As you see the image, the soil is very essential for the sapling for its growth. And you know the importance of the soil, and it takes many years for the formation, and it takes very less time for soil erosion. Easily the winds can bring the soil erosion. The topmost soil is very important for the growth of the plants. Once if the top layer is removed, then the growth of the plant is not possible. So it is very important to prevent soil erosion. Soil erosion is common, which brings by the water, which brings by the winds, and that should be prevented, as it takes many years for formation of the soil. Hence, soil should be prevented. Okay, voice is breaking. Okay, maybe the network problem. And the place where I am, there is no network problem. Definitely when you go back and view the link, you can hear it once again. No need to get worry on this. The link will be saved and you can go through once again in order to recollect the information. Okay, till now we completed air pollution, water pollution, and importance of water and importance of minerals. Now we left with biogeochemical cycles. And we know the importance of soil. Formation of soil requires many years, but soil erosion took within few hours. If topmost soil is removed, then definitely it doesn't support for the growth of the plant. Now, how to prevent soil erosion? There is a diagram image given in your textbook. You can go through that. Take a tray, make a hole, fill with the soil, and allow the seeds to develop in that soil. Make a slant with that tray and pour the water. Where there is plants, the water will be absorbed, and without plants, the water makes the soil to move down, and that is known as soil erosion. ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೇ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಸ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೀರು ಹಾಗೇ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ವಿತೌಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, when you pour the water, along with the water the soil particles starts moving, and that is known as soil erosion. Okay, if the concepts are cleared, I told there will be questioning and answering session now. Okay, I'll just pose few questions. Let me know how far you all understood and how far you all went with the live classes. Name any three natural resources. Name any three natural resources. Okay, let me see who will answer first. Let me see who will answer first. Okay, Porbandar Plant Diary. Welcome. And happy to see you again today. Good evening. And I feel very happy to see you. Thanks for your visit. Thank you. Trees. Okay, Muskan. Vegetation. Green plants can be a natural resource. Okay, correct answer. Because you all gone through the slides, you found very good number of resources. Now among that resources, okay, water, air. Thank you so much. And Porbandar videos will be always very short videos and very nice to see the short videos. Very good uploads. Keep going. Thank you for your visit. Yeah, Muskan, oil can be a resource, natural resource. Good. What else? Okay, Shushrinya. Okay, now tell me any three natural resources. Yeah, Vinuta, oil, rocks, mineral. Very good answer. Yes, good. Good responses. Very good responses. Shushrinya, I didn't get answer from your side. And somehow Manasa, Ritisha, I'm not getting any reply from others. Yeah, sun, gas, plants. Good. Good. Good answer. Sun is a very good source of energy. Gas in the sense air. Yeah, Shushrinya, natural gas. Good. Only one point. Okay, very good responses. And the first day question answer session, active participation, not bad. Okay, my next question, forest, animal, air. Yes, Vinita, correct. Good answer. Metals, okay, minerals. Minerals are the resources. Good. Shushrinya, minerals. Okay, good answer. Good. Okay, my next question. What is sea breeze? Yeah, Bhavana. Animals, rock, soil. Yes, all are the natural resources. Good. Okay, my next question. What is sea breeze? What is sea breeze? You can put in a simple sentence. Put in a simple sentence. Okay, taking more time. What is sea breeze? Try to put in a simple way. I didn't get any reply. Okay, no reply from your side. If you all don't know, shall I reveal the answer? Or still typing? Okay, Sunanda. Okay, Ragini. So late. Okay, I'm going with the questions. If you all know the answer, yesterday we already discussed, and I also sent the link. Very good. Muskan, very good. The movement of cool air from the sea towards the land, towards the low pressure where the air is at low pressure. Good answer. Good. And what is land breeze? Okay, what is land breeze? Blowing land from sea. Breeze blowing towards the land from sea. Okay, that is sea breeze. Okay, that answer is good for sea breeze. Shushrinya answer is good, and Bhavana answer is not so clear. Okay. Okay, Muskan, it happens. It happens. Okay, if it is problem with the Muskan, what about rest? Other answers is not visible. Everybody having network problem? Okay, land breeze. Just opposite, the cool air from land towards the ocean. The movement of cool air from the land towards the ocean is known as land breeze. If the movement is from land breeze. If the movement of air is from the ocean or sea, then it is called sea breeze. Very simple. Okay, no need to get confused. If the movement of the air from sea to the land, then it is called sea breeze. If the movement of winds or air from land to the water, then it is called land breeze. Okay. Okay, what is the percentage of fresh water on the earth? What is the percentage of? Okay, okay. Okay, there is problem with the phone. Okay, we'll all see you tomorrow, same time.